Want to buy XRP Ripple instantly with a debit card? Here's how to step by step. Step 1. Open a trusted exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken and log into your account. Step 2. Complete identity verification if you haven't already. Since debit card purchases require KYC. Step 3. Go to the Buy Crypto section from above here in Binance, and then to the Receive section and look up XRP. Now, in the payment method, choose a debit card or payment aid, whichever one you use, and press confirm. Now, type the amount of XRP do you want to purchase and review the fees before confirming, or you can buy the amount in USD. You can either type it in XRP or USD. For example, let's say $20, and that will end up giving me 6 XRPs. Now, confirm the transaction and the exchange will process your debit card payment instantly. Step 7. Once confirmed, your XRP will appear in your exchange wallet within minutes. And that's it. You've instantly bought XRP Ripple with a debit card. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.